Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hussein Ahmed Zani from grade 7B from Success International School, subject grammar. There are 8 parts of a speech: verb, noun, adjective, adverb, interjection, conjunction, preposition, and pronoun. And we'll explain about all of these in the next slides. Verb: describe an action or experiment. Examples: run, walk, push, eat. Adjective: describe a noun or a pronoun. Examples: short, beautiful, red, old. And there's many examples, but I write only those. Adverb: describes a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. The adverb tells us how often, how, where, or when. Examples: slowly, yesterday, always. Pronoun replace the name of a person, place, things, or idea in a sentence. Examples: I, she, our, they, it. Interjection: express strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation mark. Examples: wow, oh. Conjunction: connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Examples: and, but, although, or. Preposition: describes the place, time, or direction. It is used before a noun or pronoun. Examples: under, above, in, during. And now we will talk about noun in detail. Noun: a noun names a person, place, things, or idea. Any noun will be singular or plural. A singular noun names only one person, place, thing, or idea, but a plural noun names more than one person, place, thing, or idea. We can form plural noun by adding s or es to the singular nouns. The types of noun are proper noun, common noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, compound noun, and possessive noun. Proper and common noun. A proper noun named a specific person, place, thing, or idea. A common noun named any person, place, thing, or idea. Common, for example, man. Proper, Muhammad. And common noun, country. Proper noun, Jordan. Common noun, building. Proper noun, Al-Fasiliya Tower. Common noun, age. Proper noun, the Bronze Age. Concrete and abstract noun. Concrete noun, name, things that you can recognize with your senses. Abstract noun, name ideas, qualities, or feelings, and you cannot recognize with your senses. Examples for concrete noun: inventor, city, calendar, jazz. For abstract: idea, progress, time, and culture. Collective noun. A collective noun gives a single name to a group of individuals. When referring to a group as a unit, the noun is singular. When referring to the individuals member of the group, the noun is plural. Examples: crowd, committee, family, and team. Compound noun. Compound nouns are nouns that are made up of two or more words. Examples: mailbox and great grandmother. And the last is possessive noun. Possessive noun names who or what owns or has something. Example: a girl's coat, children's voice. And that's all. Thank you. I hope you like my video and understand the 8 parts of speech.